Well, no gardening week video this week because I've pretty much covered everything else in separate videos. So I thought I'd just quickly run you through the harvest. So yeah, loads of lettuces and loads of salad ingredients. You know, I've got some lamb's lettuce, claytonia, beet leaf greens, more beet leaf greens, spinach, lovely spinach now. And more beet leaf greens, and then there's some Asian greens there, so loads and loads of lovely stuff for the salads. Salad carrots for me, cooking carrots, kale, smoothie greens, cabbages, leeks, beetroot, potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and onions and garlic and shallots and things like that. So that's it, and I'll just make up the salad so you can see the end result. And we're done. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel. I'll see you soon.